If you want a career in welding, machining and fabrication, study a New Zealand certificate in mechanical engineering and kickstart an apprenticeship. You could earn a good wage as tradesman or engineer doing something you really like. You will get real-world workshop experience with local firms during work experience. We know trade skills can give you the choices you want in life. When you graduate with this certificate, you'll have a number of skills across areas of mechanical engineering. Trade skills are not something you're born with, they're something you learn, and with these foundations, you'll be all set to seek out an apprenticeship that's right for you. You could find yourself working in machining and tool making, maintenance and diagnostics, heavy and light fabrication, sheet metal fabrication and welding, construction welding, pipeline construction and welding, agricultural or general engineering, just to name a few. Talk to us today about your future in mechanical engineering.